Sky's a blanket of gray, no end, no start. Rain like whispers falling, breaking apart. Footsteps drowned in puddles, streets washed clean. City breathes in shadows, a quiet scene. Dreams drip heavy, soaked in the storm's cry. Waves of gloom roll in like clouds on high. Still the heart beats louder through the cold, seeking light in a story untold. Seattle rain sings its mournful tune, promises lost under a weeping moon. But Bremerton's sun breaks through the haze, burning home in forgotten days. Drizzle kisses faces, heads held low. Every drop of secret stories they know. Mountains in the distance stand alone, echoes of the past carved into stone. And oh, the rain, it drowns the sound of hope that struggles not to be found. But the sun waits patient beyond the veil, a promise written in the fragile trail. Seattle rain sings its mournful tune, promises lost under a weeping moon. But Bremerton's sun breaks through the haze, burning home in forgotten days.